What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today we have what's going on here? We have part 2 to painting everything. So if you guys saw in the last video, we actually ended up doing the side skirts last night or yesterday. Excuse the dirty garage. Last night I ended up deciding to do the lip off camera, which is fine. It definitely is all dried up now. Got some residue on it still, but the paint came in. So if you guys can see right there, there's the paint code. Oh. If you guys can see it, paint code there. What I'm going to be doing is wet sanding everything first. So I'm going to start with the side skirts, wet sand them, clean them, and then we're going to go ahead and paint those first. The lip I'm kind of sad about because I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's because of the backlight, but it's got a little bit of a crack there. Same thing on this side. So I'm just gonna say screw it and just paint it anyways, but it kind of sucks that that's even there. But again, we're gonna start with the side skirts, so I'm gonna move those over here and then get to wet sanding those. Today is day 7 though of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying it. We've been having a lot of fun uploading, a lot of content's being made, but I'm super excited to get these painted and see what it looks like here. All right, I just got done wet sanding the side skirts. Now I just washed them. Gonna let them dry off, and then we need to wipe everything down. Then we should be good for paint. Pretty excited. Kind of nervous, to be honest with you guys. I've never painted anything in my life. It is what it is. It's the first time for everything. At least I'm learning, you know? So gonna let these dry off, wipe them down, and then we're gonna start painting. All right, chat, everything seems to be somewhat pretty dried off now. What I'm gonna do is go over it with some alcohol, clean everything down. But you wanna see the setup your boys got? It's the best we gotta do. I don't have a respiratory mask, and this is just gonna have to do for now. I know it's not gonna be enough, but it's better than trying to breathe it straight on. So you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe these down, and then we're gonna go ahead and start painting it. So here's the time lapse for y'all. I know it's kind of hard to tell because we're in the garage, but first coat is down and she's coming out pretty good. This color has a lot of flake, which I didn't realize, but it's looking really good. Now the bottom I don't care about, obviously, so these two insides of the bottom, I'm more obviously worried about the top here. Everything seems to come out pretty good. That was just the first coat. Obviously we're gonna hit it with about 3-4 coats, and then we're gonna clear it about 2 coats, and it should look mint. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, come back and hit it with some more coats. Alright chat, we have the 3rd coat on and done. I think this is the best that I could do. I'm not too sure. Everything does look good to me. I literally just sprayed it on, so I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and now we're gonna spray some of this clear coat on it, which I got right here. So once this all dries up, we'll be able to put the clear coat on. Like I mentioned, boys, first time doing it. I've never painted anything before, so I'm pretty excited to see how this comes out. I'm also nervous to see how it comes out, but I mean, it should come out pretty good. What do you guys think? I think they'll come out alright. You kind of look a different color on camera, but once the clear settles in, it'll be shiny. Obviously it looks matte right now, but with the clear coat, hopefully it looks mint. I forgot to record it, but just did the first pass of clear coat, and trying to hold my breath for as long as I could. Try not to smell the stuff in, but just did the first pass. Gonna let that dry for about 15 minutes. Second pass, maybe a third. We'll see. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but I just got the 2nd coat of clear on there. Hopefully I did a good job. Kind of losing a little bit of sunlight, so it's kind of hard to see everything. But I'm trying to get as much as I can. I might do one more clear coat on the last pass here, but it's coming out pretty good. I might have overspit a little bit too much down the bottom, but it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad, y'all. Maybe a little bit more over here. Hopefully that's not too much. That might be too much now. Jesus. Alright, I'm gonna stop messing with it. Let it dry. This has become such a nightmare, but I'm learning. I'm learning. I've never done anything like this before, and I'm learning. So I'm having a lot of fun learning. Obviously, this is something definitely out of my nature. This is why people spend a lot of money to get their paint stuff done, but it is what it is. So I'll let this dry for like another 15 minutes. Come back, see how it looks. If it looks good and I don't see any orange peel, I might just call it a day right there. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sitting in the Tesla right now. I wasn't doing this the whole entire time, but everything's still drying over there, as you can see. And your boy's just chilling in his car. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty tired. I have to do at least 2 more coats, at least, of clear coat, and then we should be good. I kind of just came here to kind of get away from the smell, but I gotta do at least 2 more coats of clear coat, and then the side skirts should be done. Let it dry overnight. The lip, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do tonight, just because, like I mentioned yesterday, I don't have enough, like another table to at least do it on, so I don't want to keep moving the side skirts from place to place. I want to let it dry in one spot. So tomorrow, when the side skirts are done, I'm gonna see if I'm able to install them on the car. If I am and I have enough time, I will probably do the lip at the same time. Don't quote me on it, but I do want to get the lip done, but I'm banking on the side skirts first right now, just because they're already almost done. I'm just going to do the clear coat. As you can see, it's sitting right over there. I'm going to let it do its thing and then swap to the lip later, maybe. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes since the second clear coat dried. It looks good to me. Some areas look a little matte. So I don't know if a third coat is necessary, but it looks pretty good for the most part. I'm actually super happy with how it came out. As you can kind of see, I mean, it's shiny. Right there. I mean, it looks good to me. So I think I'm just calling it a day right here. Obviously, this is not going to be no professional paint job, but it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I can't expect it to be 100%. It's not gonna be 100%. But it looks pretty decent. I'll be honest with you. Super excited about how these came out. I wish I could put them on the car right now, but I can't. I'm probably gonna actually let these dry for 2 days. So tomorrow, I might get the lip done as well. Still gonna upload this video, and then you guys might not see me do the lip. I might do that off camera, just because I don't really want to make too many of the same videos. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, obviously, but I mean, it does look pretty good. Just gonna let it dry. Obviously, I don't have the best lighting in here, which kind of sucks. A couple things I wish I would have changed. Primer, I wish it was gray and not black. At least I can, or silver, or something I can at least see, so I can see how much I primed. Putting black on black, I mean, it's just kind of hard to tell. Oh, it has some overspray. I do. It's okay. That'll be getting sanded tomorrow, so that should come out hopefully. But this came out good. So now these dry here for the next few days, and then like I said, tomorrow I might get that done. Might do it off camera. If you guys want to see me do it on camera, then leave a like down below. But I don't have that much stuff here. I might have to get another clear coat. I would say this is about a quarter, maybe, or maybe even half. And I got one more full can of this, so I'm gonna try to make those last for the lip. I might get another clear coat just in case. Yeah, I'm kind of sad that we don't have that much sun in California. We have stupid daylight savings, bro, and it just ruins everything. Like, honestly, the sun went down at freaking 8 o'clock, dude. I could probably finish this today, but I don't want to do it at night. because I did this one at night and I didn't notice that I had a crack in it. Right there, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a crack in it, which kind of sucks. So I don't want to do anything at night. I want to be able to make sure I can see everything. We're on day 7. We did a full week of uploading. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. You guys are enjoying the content. I'm loving making these videos for you guys. I'm learning something new, obviously. Learning how to paint. Never ever done anything like this. Prepping, sanding, everything, just getting everything ready for paint. So this is all new to me. Still have some stuff to install on the Civic. Inner and outer tie rods. I gotta do an oil change on it. There's a lot of things I gotta do. And what do you guys think? I think it's time for some new wheels on that bad boy. I think it's time we get new wheels. I've had the Tesla wheels for a little too long. This thing needs an exhaust, needs an intake, it needs a lot of things, it needs a lot of work. But again, man, hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm gonna end the video here. I don't want to yap too much, so I can become Mr. Yappington. Gonna let these dry here for the next 2 days. Hopefully everything comes out good. I'm super excited to see how these come out tomorrow. And then like I said, tomorrow, back to the lip. Get that done tomorrow. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Dab. Peace.
Is that 1 coat or 2 coats?
That's 3 coats, I think.
3 coats? You do this?
No.
You really do this for real.
The only thing I hate, watch, look at that corner. Like, watch, come here. No, stand right here, though. And then look at that corner. It looks like it's, like, missing paint, huh? But then when you stand over it, don't touch it.
This one? This corner?
Well, like the edge. Like, the flat surface.
Not really. Who's going to be that close to your car? And if
I mean, like I told him, this is my first time doing this. Yeah, I think that's actually more metallic than my paint. Because mine looks like it's black in some areas.
No, it don't.
Okay, yeah, maybe it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Well, let's just hope.
This one's like inside.
That's what I'm hoping. Now it looks dark. Okay, now that you say that, it looks dark.
It looks black sparkly, but yours is like silver sparkly.
But I don't even think my color is sparkly.
Me neither. I didn't know. I didn't think so. Are you sure you got the right pin code?
But it's called polished metal metallic, so gotta have some flake in it. Dude, my fenders are getting fucked up. I can already see it. That's already gonna piss me off. Well, you also gotta realize this is also a 27-year-old car. Oh, not 20, but about to be. Like, of course the paint's not gonna be 100%.
Okay. That means get more paint bottles. Get more spray bottles.
Dude, my fender. That actually pisses me off.